The first arc motion technique that we're going to get into is the zigzag. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to take our V-chamfered butt joints and we are going to tack them in 3 places: at the top, the bottom, and the middle. Then we're going to take our electrode wire and put it right on the B line, right at the bottom of our head tack. And we're going to pull the trigger and we are going to wait. Because what are we waiting for? We want to develop our puddle. We want to develop our puddle so it crowns and then also breaks the A and C edge. As you can see here, it just breaks and liquefies the A and C edge. As soon as that happens, what we want to do is we want to start pulling through the weld zone. But at the same time, what we're going to do is we are going to take the arc and we're going to move back and forth between the A and C edge. Now what you have to understand is you're trying to keep that puddle the exact same size as you move it through the weld zone, breaking the A and C edge while you're executing your technique. So your back and forth technique, your zigzag, and your rate of motion through the weld joint has to be in tandem, keeping that puddle the same size. Now why does this work? Well, because 75% of the liquefaction of the base material, the penetration into it, is done primarily by the puddle. The arc's primary job is to keep that puddle hot enough where it is liquefying into it. So what you're doing with the technique is you're making that puddle hotter in the places it wants to penetrate more into. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and check it out, and I'm going to demonstrate.